pictures of Arvind Kejriwal, who's just landed at the Mumbai airport. There's going to be an INDIA rally at BKC today. Arvind Kejriwal will share stage with top INDIA leaders. In Mumbai, there's also going to be a mega rally of Prime Minister Narendra Modi at Shivaji Park. But on your screens are pictures of the Aam Aadmi Party workers there who are waiting for Arvind Kejriwal. Let's listen in.
निकल गए हैं भिवंडी के लिए।
भाई आउटपुट लो, जल्दी लो। आपने देखा कि हमने केजरीवाल से लगातार सवाल करने की कोशिश की कि वो मालीवाल केस पे खामोश क्यों हैं, वो विभव कुमार के खिलाफ क्या एक्शन लेंगे, लेकिन केजरीवाल हमारे सवाल को सुनते गए, कैमरे में देखते गए, लेकिन उन्होंने सवाल का कोई जवाब नहीं दिया। उनके चेहरे पर चुप्पी सादी हुई उन्होंने रखी, बिना सवालों के जवाब दिए वे वहां से मुंबई एयरपोर्ट से भिवंडी के लिए रवाना हुए। वीडियो जर्नलिस्ट योगेश के साथ राकेश त्रिवेदी, मुंबई टाइम्स नाउ, नव भारत।
All right, so those are pictures of Arvind Kejriwal in Mumbai. Today, all eyes will be on Arvind Kejriwal. We'll see if he will break his silence after that damning FIR and those details of that brutal assault that took place on Swati Maliwal, a Rajya Sabha MP of the Aam Aadmi Party, somebody who was once considered to be very close to the top leadership of the Aam Aadmi Party. She was assaulted brutally inside Arvind Kejriwal's own residence, inside the drawing room of his Sheesh Mahal. Arvind Kejriwal is out on bail and he's addressing campaign events. He was in Lucknow when the question was asked. He conveniently he pushed away the mic. His alliance partner Akhilesh Yadav went on to say, "Isse zyada important mudde hai." We have Rakesh joining us live. Rakesh, Arvind Kejriwal, we tried, putting that question to him once again. Swati Maliwal has detailed the extent of the kind of brutality that she had to face in the hands of Bibhav Kumar inside Arvind Kejriwal's drawing room. Arvind Kejriwal smiling for the cameras, doing everything else but answering that question on Swati Maliwal.
Yes, exactly. Question multiple times here at the Mumbai airport that Mr. Kejriwal, why are you silent on Maliwal case? What action will you take against Bibhav Kumar? He heard our question, he smiled at the camera, but he did not react to anything. He remained silent and he chose not to speak, and then he left from the Mumbai airport for the Pavanhans helipad, from where he'll be taking a chopper to Bhiwandi, and he will be addressing a Sabha at Bhiwandi. It will be evident to see whether he will address this issue at the public meeting at BKC today evening, but it is very unlikely that he would speak anything at a public meeting. Since he was not speaking, he was not answering any questions of the media, he was not taking any questions, it is almost sure that he will remain silent at the today evening in the public meeting as well.
It also remains to be seen, Rakesh, while you posed those questions to Arvind Kejriwal, there was radio silence from him again, but we are also seeing him laughing and greeting his party workers there. Even his allies in the INDIA bloc like Akhilesh Yadav, will they also say कि और important मुद्दे हैं?